Good morning, 10th class children. We are doing probability problems. What is a probability and what are the events, favorable outcomes, total outcomes, formula. Probability of an event E equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. What are the outcomes here? Suppose when we toss a coin, we get two outcomes, head to tail. A coin contains head and tail. Suppose dice, you take a dice, it has six faces. Six faces are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has six total outcomes. If we die, if we throw it dice two times, 6 squared, 36 outcomes. How the 36 will come, I will show next. When we toss a coin one time, we get two outcomes, head to tail. We may see head, top, or tail. There are two possibilities. 2 power 1 time, two outcomes. 2 times 2 squared, 4 outcomes. How 4 in previous class I explained. And 3 times a coin tossed 3 times, we get total number of outcomes 8. How 8 I showed in the previous class. Like that dice one time, 6 power 1. Here I am writing 6 for dice, I am writing 2 for a coin. Why 2? It has two edges, faces. One is the head, the other end is tail. That's why we are using here 2. For a dice, we are using 6 because it has 6 faces. When we throw a dice one time, we get 6 outcomes, 6 total outcomes. If we die 2 times, 36 outcomes will come. If we die 3 times, 6 cube, 216 times. How I will? But it is only 6 cube, 6 squared, 36. How 36? First dice has 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with 1 it has 6 possibilities. 6, like that 2, like that 3. Same. If first coin is choice 3, it may get second dice 3 1, 3 2, 3 3 like that. So 6 into 6, total 36. Now exercise continuation. Yesterday we did some problems. Now next. We did the third problem. Up to third problem in exercise second, page 324. Page 324. Now fourth problem. Read the problem first. If I write the whole problem on the board, it will take time. So I will read simply. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish. Aquarium contains aquarium contains 5 male fish, and 8 female fish. In shopkeeper's aquarium. So given like what is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? He is asking probability of getting male fish. Probability of male fish is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. You write the formula for every question. You don't forget. For every problem, you have first write formula. When you write the formula, you will get the idea. Now, male fish probability is a favorable male fish. Total outcomes 5 plus 8. Total number of outcomes are 5 plus 8, 13 fishes. So 30 total. Favorable outcomes. Favorable asking in the question male fish. How many male fish? 5. So write here 5 by 30. That's all. Very simple. Like this. This is fourth question. Next, fifth question. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest, pointing at one of the numbers given in the spinning wheel. We see in phrase. Number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that will point at 8? Here in the question, fifth number of total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes 8. Given on the wheel. Asking probability getting 8. Probability of getting 8 is equal to. There only one 8 is there here. So we have to write possible outcomes are favorable. Favorable outcomes are only 1 out of 8. So I am not writing the formula. Write one number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Like this. So here only one 8 is there, total of 8. That's our first question. And second question, an odd number. Among the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is odd, 3 is odd, 5 is odd, 7 is odd. So there are Right, second question. Probability of odd number. Probability of odd number. Total number of odd numbers are 4. 4 out of 8. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7. 4. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 also. 4 ones are 4 twos are 9. Third question, a number greater than 2. Probability of greater than 2. Greater than 2 numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Favorable outcomes are 6. So answer is 6 by 8. By simplifying, 2 3s are 2 4s, 3 by 4. Next, the fourth question. A number less than 9. A number less than 9 means possible outcomes are 8. Less than 9 means how many are there less than 9? These are all less than 9 means. So 8 by 8, 1. Less than 9 numbers are 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 8 by 8. Favorable outcomes are 8. Total number of outcomes are 8. 8 by 8, it is 1. Right. No. One by 8, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 by 8. Next. Sixth problem. One card is selected from a well-shuffled deck of cards, 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. This is the problem about cards. Deck of cards, there are total number of cards are 52. I already explained. There are 4 types club, the order, club. Club contains 13 cards. Ace, 2, 3, 4, I shown already in previous class. Jockey, queen, king. Starting class is A. Ace, 1. It is treated as 1. 2, 3, dash dash, 10. Jockey, queen, king. Right. So usually there are two colored cards. Club, spade are black, heart, diamond are red. So in every type there is one king, one queen, one dot, like this, one ace. These 3 cards are called as face cards. These 3 cards are called as face cards. Face cards. So he is asking the question, first question, a king of red color. Probability of king of red color. King of red color, there are favorable outcomes two. Why two? One from heart, one from diamond. So red colored cards are heart and diamond. From diamond one king, from heart one king. Total 20 kings are red color kings are 2 out of 52. That is 1 by 26. I already explained in detail. There are two in black, two cards are in red color. Club, spade, black, heart, diamond are in red. So he is asking red color kings. So two, one from heart, one from diamond. Total two cards, red color. Red king. A face card. Second question. Second question. Probability of face card. How many face cards? I explained. Face cards. One face totally 3 cards from club, 3 cards from spade, 3 cards from heart, 3 cards from diamond. Totally 12 cards, 12 face cards. So 12 by 52. So 4 3s are, 4 1s are, 4 13s are. 3 by 30. I am not writing the formula, you write the formula first. Then only you start. Because formula carries marks. Don't forget to write formula. A number next, a red face card. A red face card. How many red face cards? 3 from heart, 3 from diamond. So totally red color face cards are 6 out of 52. So take 2 3s are, 2 26 are. That's all. Next, fourth, jack of hearts. Probability of jack of hearts. Jack of hearts are only one. One jack is there in heart. One jack. One jack from heart. So he is asking heart only. So only one out of 52. Oh. Fifth, a spade. Probability of a spade. How many spade cards? 13 spade cards. 13 club cards, 13 spade cards, 13 heart cards, 13 diamond cards. So here 13 by 52. That is 1 the 4th. Fifth, a queen of diamond. Sixth, probability of queen of diamond. Only one diamond in the queen, only one queen card from diamond. So we get only one queen. In every type, one jack in club, one jack in spade, one jack in heart, one jack in diamond. Similarly, each one card from club, spade, heart, diamond. Similarly, king also. There is only one king from club, spade, heart, diamond. Club, spade. Club means like this. Spade means just like this. Like this. Spade, black. These two are black color, black. And these are heart, and this is diamond. These are red color, red. So there are queen of diamonds, only one queen from diamond. So total 50 points. So this is the solution. 6 bits are asking. Easy. If you know already I explained what are the cards, face cards, what are the black, what are the green, red color, like that. First one. Yellow, red colors. Red face card. Red face cards are 6, 3, 6, 4, 2, 3, 6. Third question, what is that? A red face card. Okay, 7th question. Five cards. What are the 5 cards? 7. 5 cards are pen, jockey, queen, king, and ace. These are the 5 cards. 5 cards are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is selected at random. What is the probability that the card is the queen? 5 cards, 10, jockey, queen, king, and ace of diamonds. These are cards taken from of diamonds. There are club cards, there are space cards, there are heart and diamond. Now in this question 7, 5 cards are taken from diamonds. What are the 5 cards? 10, jockey, queen, king, and ace. One ace also there. One first card A, second 2, number as 2. But there is no 1. In place of 1, they are writing only A. That is taken as A, 1. Okay. Now, what is the probability? The probability of the card is the queen. Only one queen. So probability number 1. Probability of queen. Queen is equal to only 1 out of 5. So answer is 1 by 5. To write the formula, number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Like this. Second question, that if the queen is selected and put sound outside, it has kept outside, what is the probability that the second card taken as ace, second ace, probability of ace, only one ace is there out of 4, because one card is queen kept out aside, it is not mixed with this, it has taken and kept away, it has kept away. So one ace, only one ace is there out of 4. So probability number of favorable outcomes 1 by total number of outcomes 4 only here, because one card is kept outside. Next, the probability of a queen. Here again one question. Queen already kept outside. There is no queen, so 0 by 4. So 0 like this. 0. No queen. Queen is kept outside. There are only 4 cards. They are 10, Georgie, King, and Ace. So out of 4 cards, there is no queen. So 0 also. Right. Very simple. Next, 8th question. Defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. Mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at pen and tell whether it is good one or bad one. One pen is taken out at random from the lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. See, in the 8th question, it is the event. What is the event? There are pens, some are defective, some are good ones. Good ones are 132 and defective pens are 12. Accidentally, they are mixed. Actually, they keep side outside or they will throw outside. 12 defective pens, but accidentally they are mixed. Number of defective pens 12. Number of good ones, good pens 132. Total number of pens. Total number of pens is equal to 12 plus 132, that is 144 total. Now he is asking in the question only one pen is taken out at random from this lot. Lot means mixed. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. It is very simple question. See, probability of good one, good pen. How many good pens are there? Number of favorable outcomes 132 out of 144. See, simplified. It is divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are. Again 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 12. 11 by 12. By simplification we get answer as 11 by 12. This is 8th question. Very easy and easy to score marks from this chapter, second chapter. That's why please concentrate. And similarly you can do ninth one. I explain others tomorrow. Thank you. Note down.